Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how I pin and secure my Genius Weft before I go in and sew it. So this is a really important step, and why I say that is because when I first started doing Genius Wefts or hand-tied weft hidden rows, I would find that I would stitch everything down, think that I'd done a wonderful job, and then when I flip up the weft, I'd realize that I'd missed huge sections of hair. So then I'd have to go in and re-sew, take everything out, and it was so complicated. So now this step I really take my time and I use as many clips as I need to make sure that I'm really getting every single layer of that weft pinned down and locked into place. This means that when it comes to sewing, you're not having to worry about missing any layers of that weft. So one thing that I'll do is once I've folded it over at the corner, I'll go in with my pliers and I'll just nip it to really lock it down. I also find that by making it nice and tight and secure, it almost hugs that bead. So I'm having to do less work with that anchor stitch to really lock it down, because already with my placement, you can see it's really, really nice and secure. I'll do this again on the other side, really taking my time with this step. And then if I've got any shorter pieces of hair that aren't reaching the end, what I'll do is I'll mark that out like so that I can make sure I'm again locking that down.